Hello everyone. So in today's video, we will see different types of Arduino boards. So in previous video, we have seen LED blinking circuit, and then we have seen the basic structure of any program written in Arduino IDE and how to upload that program. This is the code for the LED blinking. And this void setup is a preparation block. And from the function pin mode, what information you will receive? That pin mode 13 means pin number 13. LED is connected with pin number 13. And this is output, void loop, digital write high. This is also function, digital write delay. These are the functions. And pin number, this is showing the pin number 13 is showing the digital output pin. And we have introduced delay of 1000 millisecond. Once LED will glow, then there will be 1000 millisecond delay, then LED will be turned off like this. LED blinking program which is interfaced with your Arduino board. Now in our program we have used LED blinking circuit, then we have used this Arduino IDE, then you have written code like this. Then this is the pin description. In earlier video, we have seen this pin description in detail. Here, different types of pins are marked with different colors. Here, these are the digital input output pins with yellow. These are analog pins A0 to A5 for serial communication. Then this is reset. There are two power supply, 3.3 volt and 5 volt. Then reference voltage, ground. These for the serial communication. Then these are the for interrupt 1, interrupt 0. Then this is transmit and receive for communication. So these are the brief description. This image is taken from Arduino official Arduino website. Now next, when we have explored Arduino IDE, Arduino software, then we have selected board type. So in that we have selected Arduino Uno, and in that you have seen there are different Arduino boards. So there are different types of Arduino board. First that we have seen just in previous lecture, that is Arduino Uno, 6 analog pins and 14 digital output pin. We have discuss this pin, all pins of this Arduino board, and we have uploaded program. We have interfaced this Arduino board with the LED. In the same way, you can use this Arduino Nano also for your program in place of this Arduino board. In that case, what you have to do? First, you have to download the data sheet. You have to know the specification of this Arduino Nano board. Then you have to select Arduino Nano board from the Arduino IDE. When you make your program in Arduino IDE, you have to select this Arduino Nano board. Then there is one more board, that is Arduino Mega board, and it has 54 input output digital pins. So, and Arduino have less number of IO pins, whereas in case of Arduino Mega pins, the number of digital IO pins will be increased, both for analog as well as for digital input output. There is one ICSP header, reset button, 4 universal asynchronous receiver transmitter ports, USB connection and power. These are the facility available in Arduino Mega board. Then Arduino Micro board, it have 20 sets of pin, 7 pins are PWM pins, and 12 are the analog pins. And all other components are same as the Arduino Mega. These are also types of Arduino that are available to you. Now next there is a Arduino Nano 33BLE. This is the board, and these are the few characteristics. Basically, this is used for robotics experiment, exercise tracker, digital compasses. In that, this Arduino Nano BLE board is used, and it includes one accelerometer, gyroscope, magnetometer with 3 axis resolution. So it make it easier to used in robotics applications. And then Arduino Duo, and it have 32-bit ARM core microcontroller, and it have 54 digital input output pins, 12 analog pins, and this is used in case you have to design some big project, larger project, then you will use this Arduino Duo. So till now we have seen different Arduino boards. So all Arduino boards have one thing in common, that all are programmed to Arduino IDE, and this is the software that allow user to write program and upload that program into the board. But still there are lots of difference between the Arduino boards, such as the number of input and outputs, and then speed, operating voltage, form factor. These are the some features that are different in different Arduino boards. And some boards are designed to be embedded and have no programming interface. Then in that case, you have to buy programming interface separately. And some can run directly from 3.1 volt battery. Others need at least 5 volt battery. So these are the few differences in the various kinds of Arduino boards. So this is the reference. Now in next class, we will go through this Arduino board. So basically, when you are using Arduino board, you need some accessories with that. But when you are using Raspberry Pi, then you can call this Raspberry Pi, or you can use this Raspberry Pi as a single board computer. So basically, this is developed in United Kingdom by RPI Foundation to promote teaching of basic computer science in school and in developing countries. So this is the this this gives the origin of that Raspberry Pi. What is the basic purpose why it is started? In next class, we will see the details of Raspberry Pi board. We will go through all the components, types, okay, what are the requirements, what are the different types of board, all these things. Thank you and have a nice day.